quick unboxing video. I don't know if I'm going to add this to the review video or do it separately. We'll see. So I've been waiting for the shock to come in. I sent the forks back in February. I know it seems like a long time, but I was aware that they didn't have the Penske shocks in stock. So they installed the AK-20 customized cartridges in the forks, and then they set up a Penske 8900E for me, and that's all the specs. And Dan at Traxxion emailed me a copy of how to take care of things and what the maintenance schedule is and how things go together. There's my original springs in there. More instructions on the Penske shock and stickers. It's a beautiful little thing, expensive little thing, but there's the adjustment tool for preload in there. Now the Victory, has an air system for the fork, for the shock to adjust for preload. The shock itself was pretty rudimentary and really not that good. And hopefully this makes up for it, but I do ride 2-up frequently. So here's the original parts. It's completely stock. This is a little cold steel knife. They're amazing. Not expensive and quite good for opening things. Don't expect miracles because these forks have 75,000 miles on them. They did sticker them, too bad. I wish they gave me the stickers instead because I have end caps to go on these. There's some adjustability in there for compression. I think they're only adjustable for compression, but I have to look into that. Anyways, they're here. I just picked up a new set of Dunlop American Elites, or I just had a new set of Dunlop American Elites installed as well, and picked those up tonight. And when I arrived home, this box was on the porch, so I'm ready to put this thing together. Inside the Penske box, it came with a dynograph of the shock's performance. Installation on a Victory Vision, which I don't have, but I believe it's... actually, I thought the Vision had a different suspension setup than the Cross Country, which I have, but it doesn't, so apparently the shock works for both. It comes with a QR code to scan for a manual, and like I said, the adjustment tool for preload. Stickers. And a black and white Penske Racing Shock decal. I might put that on, I don't know. The bike's pretty clean and customized looking. with some vinyl wrapping I did to it a couple years ago. I don't know if I want a sticker on it. We'll see. The AK-20s are going to be covered. Maybe I'll hit Dan up for some free stickers. All right. I think I'm going to post this separately. So stay tuned for the review.